All right, so if you want to create high converting ads without using expensive tools or hiring a team, yeah, Pika AI can help you do that fast. In this video, I'll show you how to create ads step by step. First, quick idea. A good ad needs three things. It should grab attention, deliver a clear message, and encourage people to take action. Start by deciding your goal. Are you promoting a product, a service, or your brand? Next, write a clear and marketing-focused prompt so the AI understands your idea. For example, create a high-energy product ad with engaging visuals and smooth transitions. Keep your ad short and impactful, because the first few seconds are the most important. Then click Generate AI and let Pika AI create your ad video. Once it's ready, preview it and make sure it has strong visuals that grab attention instantly. Don't rely on just one version. Create multiple variations and test which one works best. After that, add captions and a clear call to action like buy now or learn more. You can also add music and branding elements to make your ad look more professional. Finally, upload your ad and test its performance on different platforms. So yeah, Pika AI makes it easy to create ads that are fast, engaging, and effective. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI marketing guides coming soon.